Meet Dimple. Dimple is a high school senior who is worried about her future. She is not sure if she can afford tuition and is concerned about finding a reputable institution that will give her the education she needs to succeed in life. But then Dimple discovered Central Michigan University in USA that changed her life. This offers a wide range of programs, including business, engineering, health sciences, and more. But what really sets this apart is its commitment to affordable education. Dimple found that the professors were knowledgeable and experienced, and they were committed to helping their students succeed. She also found that there were many extracurricular activities that allowed her to develop her leadership and communication skills. Through her classes and activities on campus, Dimple developed a strong network of friends and mentors who helped her to stay focused and motivated. And all of her hard work paid off. Dimple graduated with the skills and knowledge she needed to succeed in the real world, and she landed a great job in her chosen field soon after graduating. Thanks to this affordable and reputed CMU in USA, Dimple was able to achieve her dreams and build a successful career. If you're like Dimple and looking for a that offers affordable education and a reputation for excellence, this could be the perfect fit for you. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.